Hi friends, welcome to Versatile Mithul. In today's video, we'll learn how to cut a perfect heart shape. This is just a random video. I fortunately recorded it while I was doing some art and craft. I used these hearts to make a birthday card for my husband. So this is the first method. First, draw a layout, just a rough one, and then you can just cut it off. The other way to do it, like the second method I have shown, is to draw a half heart on a sheet of paper. You can just fold the paper and then draw a rough layout of a heart, and then you can cut that out. So this is the first method, and this is a 2-layered craft paper. So here I had cut it off a couple of them. In a similar manner, you can cut out few more. You can fold this as well. In this way, you make sure both the sides of the heart are of the same shape and size. Tell me in the comment section below what you will do with these hearts if you're able to cut out so many in a day, just like me. So this is the method 2. You need to fold the paper into half and draw a half heart shape. So as you can see, I am making a rough layout, a rough shape, and then you can just cut that out. So friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.